Once upon a time, there was Egyptian cats. First in the Animal Crossing not. Okay, wait. Can you shut coming, senpai? Come on, let's go. Okay, right now. Let's see the. Good luck, Mr. Sun. Here. Let's get some deep tuna. I see them. Let's see this among the equivalents in deep tuna. Deep tuna. Let's see the deep tuna, right? Come on. Let's go. No. Yes. Oh, that's what I said. What's in it? The frosting, the pancakes, and the waffle. Okay, free mouth. No sprockets. Yum. Tasty. Can you already eat it? Yum. Whispering. Wow, I love you, son of a magical stuff too.